What's good, folks? Today we're gonna explain how you get Rimuru Tempest in the newest update on Rock Fruits. So first off, you're gonna go to the island event because that's where Rimuru goes. Because it's an event, so you have plenty of time to get Potion Slime. To get Potion Slime, you just gotta kill these bacon slimes, and there's a chance you get the potion slime, and it's not really that rare and really that no. So you just gotta pretend, you just gotta luck base. It's a luck base, okay? So yeah, you really have to just luck. You really have to just you know get it. To get Mask Demon, what you're gonna do is you're gonna you're gonna go here, and you actually have to craft it. It has 5%. You need redstone, orb evolution, and iron magic. I know you guys know how to get orb evolution, but if you guys don't know, it's actually behind the island event. It's behind the island event. It's behind it. And to get redstone and iron magic, what you're gonna do? You're gonna go over to the new island, the village island. To get iron magic, you're just gonna kill the bacon golems. Yeah, that's basically you're just gonna do. You're just gonna kill the bacon golems. You're just gonna kill the bacon golems. And here's a 10% chance of you getting it. So good luck on getting it because it's a pain on getting. You actually have to like depend on the luck, and yeah. And these are very hard to kill because they are tanky, and once you get hit, you like get low as heck. It's like a one shot. Think so. And to get redstone, you're gonna go to the bacon goblin. They are exactly next together, so easy. Redstone is 20%, so it's easier. See, I already got it. I already got the redstone. Okay, so after you get the Mask Demon, you're gonna get Dragon Arm, okay? To get Dragon Arm, you're just gonna go to the dungeon shop, shop by dungeon, and you're gonna purchase Dragon Arm by 50 points. So you either have to go to the Dungeon Infinite and get those by every 15 waves, or you're gonna go farm Red Dungeon, which spawns every like 10 minutes after. Or no. After you get all the requirements, you need belly, and yeah, here it is, Rimuru Tempest. For the showcase, this is the M1s. Pretty good though. Good VFX and SFX. Good VFX. Basically so clean. It's like a lightning. Basically like a lightning, honestly. This is the Z move. Pretty strong. It makes them half already, and it has a 5 cooldown. So if you sword them, they're already dead. And you can actually spam this by running and use it again. So it's very very OP, and yeah. It almost one shots, but in the next wait, I don't have the cat area. I think it's one shot with the accessories. That no, it's not a one shot. This is the X skill. Basically like the slash and Ichigo, but it's fast. It's like it's and I died. So I'm back, and this is the X skill. It's basically a fast version of Ichigo V-Skill, I think so. But it's like a lightning and a purple.
Try nga natin personal.
It has a 1 cooldown, so you can spam it.
Sa lahat ng soldado ako,
Yup, yup. There's the C skill.
puro akong crack silver. Puro crack silver na lang yung pinag-iulit. Kaya ito, try na. Tapos, karamihan sa nalagay.
It's basically just a beam, so yeah, basically a beam. It's really OP. It's really OP. It has a 10-second cooldown.
Stamina and FTR.
It's just a beam, so I don't think it's really OP.
Hindi naman ako tawag ko. Huwag yung kalimutan mag-get walang di magkakakain ng
It's perfect.
Crash Clash natin.
It's really perfect for grinding. I'm giving Rimuru like a good 10 out of 10 because it has 2 modes. It actually has 2 modes. This is the first mode, V move. Oh. That is the first mode.
Yung nilalaro ko dati.
Here's the C.
Dexterity ang nilalagyan ko dati sa crack shooter.
Nothing really changed. It's just nothing really changed that much. You just get that wings. And I don't know what the wings does. I don't know what the wing does. I don't know what the wing does. So yeah, I don't know what it does. I think it gives like a health reduction or damage reduction. Anyways, this is the X move. Nothing really changed in the X move. It's the same. You can spam it. And I just realized how the range packs it now. It has good range. Really cool. Then the C skill. Nothing really changed on the modes. Nothing really changed that much. It's just you're getting a wings. You're getting wings and yeah. You just get wings. That's all. That's all it does. You just get wings. Yeah. Just get wings. For the F move, is the F move. The slime. Boing, boing, boing. And it's basically the slime. And it has ano M1s, ranged move, and it does explosion. And it does damage on the trail still. It does damage. The thing does damage too, by the way. So yeah. I think this is the only move that changed. Is Z. Pretty good, very good, very good, very good. It's pretty good. Pretty good, though. Pretty good. Pretty good. So this is pretty good. So far so good. This X while the X move is doing its business. It's basically like the Ichigo Roar. The Roar of Ichigo. And this C move, you basically eat them and you chew them. And you spit them out. And the surprising thing is, you can change back, not the V. The V you just like have to wait, but there's a thing called. So, yeah, it's basically it.
Ranger!
No, I think the C move is OP. I have no doubts. See, you could spam this. You know why?
Yung Archer, tapos
Because it only has a short cooldown. You could spam it. I'm not even getting to it, you could actually spam it now. You could spam this thing. Okay? So that's how it makes it OP. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I did the horror content, Minecraft horror content, but the clips were just frozen, so I couldn't really edit the video. So let me know if I should do a Minecraft video.
Yay!
First Minecraft video. If you want me to do that, then drop a like and the subscribe button and comment what you think. If you remove is OP, or
Ano yung binigay sa akin?
yeah. Also comment if you want me to do a Lucky Block video. I mean, beating the Minecraft with only Lucky Blocks. Okay. If you want me to do that video, comment now. Okay. Bye.